Hello YouTube, this is John, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you I have an issue here. I changed the drive and I tried to install another drive in my PC, and for your case it might happen in a different way. So we have an issue of BitLocker, as you can see, and it shows you the recovery ID key you can use, but in our case here, for your case it will be different from mine. So what happens here, there is a code that you have to put in, and it's from Microsoft, and you have to log in with your Microsoft account, and then you go to recovery keys. You can find that code there that you're going to input here. So that code has the 5 digits and has a sequence. It has 10 pairs of those 5 digits. So it has, so I'm going to go ahead and, so this is how the code looks like here. This is how my code looks like. It is long. It has like 6 digits, yeah, then 10 times. So right now here I'm going to go ahead and input my BitLocker key, but the computer will go off if you don't put it very quickly. So I'm going to start it again, and then I'm going to pause the video now. We are back again. So I'm going to go ahead and input the BitLocker code. Then we shall click continue and see how the computer opens after inputting the code. So I'm going to start. So I'm done with the first pair. So let me first pause, then I input. So I'm done with the code, and this is how it looks like. So this is how long it looks like, the BitLocker code. Yeah. So I'm going to click continue, enter to continue, and our PC is going to restart after inputting the code, and this is going to load the Windows files. So this was on the Dell Inspiron 15 3000 series, and after unlocking, so this happened to me when I removed the hard drive. Then I was trying to install a Linux operating system. When I came back to the computer, it could not read the original drive which was there. So the BitLocker was activated immediately. So I'm going to pause, then we come back again. So right now, as you can see, the computer is loading the files. So you can imagine from here, you would be installing a clean installation, then losing all your data. That's how Microsoft did the BitLocker system to protect your data from being seen from other PCs. So on Windows 11, it is very tricky, and it comes very fast when you're not aware and you have to do some work. So this is how